On her way home from work, a girl encountered a bat with a broken wing. Feeling sorry for the little creature, she decided to take it in. After bringing it home, she took great care of it, feeding it milk and even making a special pacifier for it. She fed it fruit every day, taking care of it as if it were her own child. Sometimes it would fall asleep while eating. With the girl's attentive care, its strength gradually returned. When released, it would fly back to play with her. During the day, it often took naps, but at night, it was full of energy. However, being a wild animal, the girl eventually released it back into nature. A year later, she discovered her roof was covered with bats. When she opened the door, she was amazed to find bats all over her house. She immediately recognized the bat she had once saved. Excitedly, she brought out grapes to welcome the entire bat